Fáilte Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic sé, Rannóg de Seachtain ghnóthach sa chathair díreúisteach Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1 topic 6, section 10, a busy week in the city, focusing on writing. Agus sa Rannóg seo be méid ag dul siar bhfuil múinte faoin Saol Laethuil. We'll be going over what we've already covered about daily life. Ag fífrí do chuine cén talmé agus an question a ragart, asking someone what time it is and answering their questions. Labhairt faoi rudaí a dhéantar gach lá, talking about things that we do every day. Ará cén talma dhéanann duine rudaí éagsúla, saying what time you do a certain thing. Ceiste chur chuine cén talma dhéanann sé rud éigin, asking somebody what time they do something. Ag fífrí do chuine an dhéanann sé rud áirithe, asking somebody if they do a certain thing. On uam en lehan agus quail, broad and slender en. On aimsearlóireach, the present tense. And on folklore and winning leis an éanad, and the vocabulary with the unit. Ag an bhuíochas seachtain ghnóthach sa chathair uait don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, a busy week in the city for this activity. There's a link to the handouts and the notes in the description box below. Agus beag an bhuíoch ag scríbhneoireacht orla uait don gníomhaíocht seo freisin, and you'll also need a handout writing Orla's diary for this activity. Seachtain ghnóthach sa chathair, a busy week in the city. Is he Orla an bhean na picture? Orla is the woman in the pictures. Féach na picture I gcuid a hain, seachtain ghnóthach sa chathair. Look at the pictures in part 1 of the busy week in the city. Scríomh Albert omláin faoi cad a dhéanann Orla de ghnó ag an am sin gach seachtain I gcuid a dó an míleog ag scríbhneoireacht Orla. So write a complete sentence about what Orla usually does at that time each week on part 2 of the handout, writing Orla's diary. Tá cúpla sampla déanta le cabhrú leat. There are a few examples done already to help you. Mar hampla, dé luan, a hochta clog, tosíon Orla ag obair ag a hochta clog. Déardín, a seachta clog, tagan Orla a bhaile ag a seachta clog de ghnó. Agus anis na freagraí ag scríbhneoireacht Orla. Tá cuid freagraí salúpa mar hampla. Some of the answers can be flexible. For example, dé luan, cathrú tar éis dóigh, bíonn lón ag Orla, no ihan Orla lón. So either one of those. Orla has lunch or Orla eats lunch. Líoch clog, búlan Orla lena chuirde. Orla meets her friends. No ten Orla go dtí an teach torna. Orla goes to the pub. So there are obviously different possibilities. Dé luan, ag a séachlog, airíonn Orla ag a séachlog. A hochta clog, tosíonn Orla ag obair ag a hochta clog. Cathrú tar éis dóigh, ihan sí lón ag cathrú tar éis dóigh. An líoch clog, chasan sí lena chuirde agus sa teach torna ag an líoch clog. Déardín, leathuair tar éis hocht, tugann sí an bos go dtí an chathair ag leathuair tar éis hocht. A héana clog, teann sí go dtí an fork, timpeall a héana clog. Seachta clog, tagan Orla a bhaile ag a seachta clog de ghnó. A héandeag, teann sí a chola ag a héandeag a chlog. Dé sathairn, leathuair tar éis de, chud líon Orla go dtí leathuair tar éis de, maidin dé sathairn. A héandeag, déanann sí an teapadóra, timpeall a héandeag a chlog. A cúige clog, de ghnó bíonn dinéir aici ag a cúige clog. A hochta clog, uaireanta teann sí go dtí an fictúrlan lena búchail ag a hocht. Beag an bhuíoch ma dhéalann féin uait don gníomhaíocht seo. you'll need the handout, My Own Diary, for this activity. Má díolann féin, My Own Diary. Cad a dhéanann tú ag an deire seachtaine de ghnó? What do you usually do at the weekend? Bhíonn isteach an díolann seo, bunathe cad a dhéanann tú ag an deire seachtaine de ghnó. So fill in this diary based on what you usually do at the weekend. Use your notes and the previous slides to help you if you need that. So this is an optional activity. If you have a study buddy or a partner, you can do this activity with them. Beag an bilóg do díolann uait don ghnóthach seo. You'll need to hand out your diary for this activity. As I said, this is an optional activity, but it's good practice even if you don't have a buddy to compose the questions. Má díolann féin ceistena a chuma. My Own Diary, composing questions. Begurt an díolann glan a lína isteach bunathe ólas duine eile. You'll need to fill in the blank diary based on information of another person. Cuirfidh tú ceistena duine chun an tólas a aimsiú mar hampla. You will ask the person questions to get the information. Bosa, an déan tú ag siopadóireacht an íana ag a 6 ar maidin. Do you go shopping in the morning on Fridays at 6 a.m? An duine eile ní haim. Táim ag a 1 o'clock dé Saturn. No, I go at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. Begart ceistena a chur duine eile agus na freagraí scríobh síos go dtí go mbeidh an díolann lán. So you'll have to ask the other person questions and write down the answers until you have the diary full. Again, this is an optional activity that you can do with a study buddy or a friend. Agus sin dearil a seachtain ghnóthach sa chathair, and that's the end of a busy week in the city where we reviewed cad a bhí muinte a gcuin faoin Saol Laethuil, what we had taught about daily life, ag fífrí de ghine cén thamé agus an question a ragart, asking what time is it and answering the question. Labhairt faoi rudaí a dhéantar gach lá, speaking about things you do every day. A rá cén tam a dhéanann duine rudaí éagsúla, saying what time a person does certain things. Ceist a chur ghine cén tam a dhéanann si rud éigin, asking a person what time they do a certain thing. Ag fífrí de ghine an dhéanann si rud áirithe, asking someone if they do a specific thing. An uam en Latin agus Gaeilge, pronunciation of broad and slender N. An aimseanna, the present tense, agus folklore an muineann leis an aonad, and the vocabulary for the unit. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nascan na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.